Prices shout and margins whisper. This is the energy industry's truth. And in 2025, Petron's results reflect disciplined execution, not oil price theatrics. Petron posted 9.67 billion pesos in net income, up 37%, while revenues fell 10% to 594.9 billion pesos. Proving results came from operational mastery, not just market movements. The engine behind Petron's gains is strong domestic demand. Philippine retail volumes surged 11%, marking real market share wins and powering the downstream business. Commercial sales rose 7%, led by diesel, jet fuel, and LPG, showing Petron is tapping into broader markets like aviation, industry, and fleets for diversified demand. Petron's refineries, Limay and Port Dickson, delivered higher productivity and lower costs, with no turnaround disruptions, turning assets into margin engines. Margin gains are clear. Gross profit climbed 15% to 39.63 billion pesos. Operating income jumped to 26.64 billion pesos, all in a tough market. These results weren't luck. Petron's gains came from rigorous cost control, productivity, and product mix. This improvement is durable and repeatable. Operational discipline shows in cash flow. Cash and equivalents rose 32% to 40.21 billion pesos. Short-term loans fell 44%, and liquidity improved to a current ratio of 1.24. Strategic refinancing, 32 billion pesos in fixed-rate bonds, redeemed debts and bought flexibility, smoothing out future maturities and reducing operational pressure. Challenges remain. Overall volumes fell 3%, FX volatility persists, and the cost of capital is still substantial with interest expense at 14.11 billion pesos. The long-term view brings regulatory and transition risks, but Petron's scale and adaptability, like DOE LPG training recognition, can provide an advantage. 3 metrics will reveal durability: sustained retail growth, refinery reliability as cycles normalize, and ongoing margin and leverage trends. These are the true signposts. Petron's 2025 is not a commodity bounce. It's a story of extracting better outcomes from tough realities. The true test is if they can keep delivering when markets tighten. Investors and stakeholders see operational discipline and readiness for the next cycle. In an industry of noise, Petron's quiet margin gains speak volumes about its resilience.